The 6th China International Import Expo is currently underway in Shanghai. This year's CIE has attracted attendees from 154 countries, regions, and international organizations. Among them, many new participants are eager to try their luck in the burgeoning Chinese market. At this year's expo, we've seen the debut of 11 countries at the country exhibition and the first-time presence of nearly 20 global Fortune 500 companies and industry-leading enterprises. What has inspired the businesses to join the CIE for the very first time? What are their expectations and aspirations for the CIE? We'll speak to some of these participants and hear their stories.
We're here at the Honduran Pavilion, a pavilion that represents our culture, our ethnicities, our region, and overall our nature. It's our first time in the CIE. At this edition, at 2023, we have achieved new connections. We've had a series of events where we have the coffee people having conversations and signing deals of over $35 million on coffee exportations from Honduras to China. So this opportunity that China has given us to participate this year on the CIE will help us with generating employment, generating income for our families, and overall generating development for our people. We'll say it's been amazing, satisfied, and overall we can say it's been joyous.
It's my first time at the CIIE and my first time in China, so it's very exciting for me. It's a great opportunity for us to come here and promote our new ranges, but also to form new collaborations with different companies around the world. We know that the electric vehicle automotive industry within China is huge, so it's a big opportunity for us to be able to come here, and particularly with the automotive hall next door, it's a really exciting opportunity for us to go across and speak to those people there and form some good connections and follow-ups and meetings in the future. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to have the opportunity to come back next year.
是一个非常好的契机，能够让我们再会老朋友，结识新朋友，希望能够通过进博会这个舞台，增进各方面的交流，深耕中国的市场，拓展品牌的知名度。
我们是首次参加中国进博会，这是一个面向全世界的一个平台，也是一个非常好的舞台。我们希望在这次进博会中呢，认识更多的中国的合作伙伴，也希望向中国消费者展示许多珠宝珍品。